I had the most wonderful time building this outdoor kitchen for a little person. My neighbor, she asked me if I wouldn't mind building something for the kids to play outdoors with, and she and I together came up with an outdoor kitchen. Now I took it to this stage, right? Just painted it, well, of course, built it and then painted it and provided her with the water mechanisms, but then she did this to it. Isn't this the cutest little thing ever? I mean, imagine playing outdoors every day on something like this, at least in the summer months, right? But her little one loved it, and there she is right there enjoying it. And of course, all of this is worth it when you can put a smile on your kids' faces because they're outside and they're safe. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe. My name is Sonia. I'll catch you on whatever I'm working on next. Bye.